Nice little race clutch there. See that? It's like you're at the racetrack. And it, so you can see this thing is just in really good shape there. And those panels are actually in great shape too. Yeah, that clutch goes right in. That's from the Turbo RX-7 1991 rotary engine. Pro comp gauges, those are all working. It does have a shutoff as well. Now remember, we do these videos to make sure that you see exactly how the vehicle is, how it runs, drives, sounds, everything. Over 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport, all ClassicCarAddict.com. Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I got this brand new addiction for you. This is a 1964 Volvo 1800S. It is just awesome. Why? Because it has the RX-7 rotary engine and it's got the rotary turbo transmission as well. The beautiful gray with the black stripe, it just fits really well. It's got a race hood. If you're wanting this in your collection, definitely stay tuned. We're gonna go through the exterior, the interior, and take you on a test drive. '64 Volvo 1800S, and you can see here, this one is just awesome. They did not make a lot of these. This one's got an awesome paint job. There are a few little flaws on it, nothing crazy, but there are just a few. Of course, it's Arizona, so there's gonna be just a few little rock chips, nothing crazy, no big cracks or anything on the windshield. See through here just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Paint shows really well, so is all of the window trim and seals. You can see through here, it's got a great sound, it's got the rotary in it. So you can see this thing is just in really good shape all the way around, runs well, and the fact that it's got the RX-7 rotary just makes it that much cooler. And you can see there, so DOT's a little bit older, not brand new, BF good wrench. Rims are in good shape, you can see there, and those panels are actually in great shape too. A little bit off there, but nothing crazy. Again, rims all the way around, 205, 60, 15, running square, good tread depth to them. And you see the tread itself is also really good. And the rotary engine, it's just infamous, it really is. It's just so awesome for what it is. Look at those rims. So you got a few little nicks and dings and scrapes, rock chips, you know, just a few little things in there. Nothing too crazy. Again, just going through all the rims, just showing everything so you can see exactly how the vehicle is. Remember, we have over 300 photos to go through, all of the little defects, paint, and everything with all of our vehicles, including this one here. Now this engine hood, go right down here, and we'll have that. It's going to be a little bit tougher one-handed to get this off, but we will be able to get it and show it for you. Take this and put that right there. That way you see that. And now we can get right in here to the full engine compartment and just to make it a little bit easier to go through, I'm going to keep this off while we do the test drive. Aluminum radiator, and of course, good old see that right there? Runs out. I mean, the engine compartment itself is all in great shape. All the originality with the sticker stuff is all there. Now let's get you in to the interior. You can see, I mean, even just down to the door jambs. Now it does have a little bit of scuffing right there. There are just a few little things. It does have a little rip right there. RJS for your 5-point harness. Pro comp gauges. Those are all working. It does have a shut-off as well. But those seats, those race seats, are actually really nice and comfortable. It does have a roll cage there in the back. You know, this thing is actually done really well. Again, it's off just a little bit, but it's not too bad. Needs a little bit of adjustment there. And then let's get you into the trunk. You can see the trunk itself is in really good shape as well. All in through there. You see that? Closes really well. Fitment is really nice. There is a little crack right there. And then coming over here to the passenger side, again, just here, we'll go through. So that's where it just kind of hits there at the bottom. Makes it a little bit harder without the wheel on there to turn, but these are tinted. It rolls up just like that. And again, 5-point harness there for the passenger side as well. Dash pad is actually in good shape. Pro comp gauges. It's your manual. So fitment there is really good. Let's go back over here. So it rubs just right there at the bottom. You can see where that is, but it does go up and down smooth. That. Let's get you guys locked in here. Ready for the test drive. And there we go. All right, so manual. Of course, it's just going to be your H with reverse all the way over. And get the e-brake. E-brake does work. That is always a good thing. Ooh, that's a nice little race clutch there. It is jumpy just right off the bat. It is ready to go. Good 95 degrees today. So it is nice and warm. Yeah, that is nice and catchy. I think it's actually really zippy. If you're familiar with the rotary engines, they are just ready to go. This one does have turn signals. They're located right there. They do work. Yeah, that clutch goes right in. That's from the Turbo RX-7 1991. Rotary engine is from 1990. So yeah, I mean, this thing holds. You can just tell it is really grippy. It's literally just like a race car. It'll take you through. Now, not the fastest thing ever, but it is really nice and grippy. It definitely hugs those corners just like you want it to. Yeah, it goes right in through there. It's like you're at the racetrack. Now remember, we do these videos to make sure that you see exactly how the vehicle is, how it runs, drives, sounds, everything. Over 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport, all ClassicCarAddict.com. Things ready to go. Thanks for watching. Right after this is going to be the undercarriage. All right, guys, we're getting under this 1964 Volvo 1800S. And this is going to be in your resto mod style. One, because it's got a rotary engine in it. Two, just because it is done up really, really well. You have your rear disc brakes, you have front disc brakes, you've got upgraded suspension, you've got your upgraded rear axle, and this thing is just set up really, really nice. It is really nice and dry under here. They did a great job with this build. MagnaFlow exhaust. You also got your long tube headers. You've got your rotary engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and then look at that. Just everything is set up the right way. 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum radiator. I mean, this thing is ready to go. ClassicCarAddict.com.